Sampurasun. My name is Aghniyya Rahmatillah. Being a Sundanese youth, born in the land of Pasundan, which is rich in culture, fosters a strong identity deeply rooted in noble values. It guides me to make an impact and bring happiness to the surrounding environment and community. As a youth, acting as an agent of change, I have an important role in the development of the nation. Through my advocacy while improving literacy and education, I want to contribute to increasing literacy so that we can learn and grow together in building the nation. I'm Aghniyya Rahmatillah, Putri Pendidikan Jawa Barat 2024. Let us make a positive impact on those around us.